Welcome to Calm Water Crisis Consulting's YouTube channel, where we provide tips and tricks and insights on crisis management. My name is Stefan Conradsen. I'm a crisis management expert and the owner of Calm Water Crisis Consulting. The world are getting more extreme, and changes in our operating environment are creating more and more crisis situations. These crisis situations are becoming more difficult and exceedingly harder to handle. Without a solid crisis management plan, you will be exposed to some of the typical characteristics of a crisis situations like unpredictability, time pressure, and lack of resources. And very likely, you will channel all your best people to deal with the crisis situations, leaving the rest of your business hanging. But the solution is there, and the solution is preparation. At Calm Water Crisis Consulting, we help enterprises getting as prepared as possible to handle the unforeseen. We help you all the way from the initial risk assessment through preventive actions, response plans, development of the crisis management plan itself, and getting the crisis management plan implemented in your organization. Once implemented, we will assist you with exercises and training, audits, and real-time incident handling. There's a lot of value in crisis management. Get it right and you can differentiate yourself from competitors. You can earn the confidence from your customers and employees. You can build a stronger brand and reputation, and ultimately you can get more business. In this channel, we will provide insights, tips and tricks on crisis management related topics that will help you getting better prepared to handle crisis situations that will inevitably come. So please subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscription button, and please say hello in the comments fields below so we know who you are. In the comments fields, also tell us what topics you would like us to cover in our videos, and please share your experiences and challenges with crisis management. So subscribe now and enjoy our videos. See you soon.